Hi everyone, and Merry Christmas from everyone here at Solloway. My name is Josh, and I just wanted to wish you a happy holidays, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and share with us our favorite Christmas movies as they relate to our industry, tell you why, and at the end I'd love to hear what your favorite Christmas movie is as well. So starting off the list is It's a Wonderful Life. Fantastic story, classic movie. The house, 320 Sycamore, when George and Mary move in, it's all dilapidated. Got had a ton of mold damage in that house. Definitely need Solloway to fix that up. Our next Christmas movie is A Christmas Story. Little Ralphie, the pink bunny suit, the whole thing. But if you pay attention, there's one scene where the dad goes down to the basement when the family's at the dining room table. There's soot coming up through the furnace, and he's using colorful language while he's trying to repair it. House just had a puff back, soot cleanup. We love that at Solloway. The next Christmas movie is Christmas Vacation. If that movie doesn't get you laughing, I don't know what will. But there's one scene where our favorite Uncle Lewis lights a cigar in the living room, and poof, the famous, or infamous Christmas tree, I should say, goes up in flames, causing fire damage throughout the house. Last Christmas movie that we absolutely love, probably our favorite as a team here, is Home Alone. The wet bandits, as they're called, go and rob a bunch of houses. When they're done, they turn on the faucets, clog the sink, and flood all those houses. Definitely a situation that you need Solloway. So those are our favorite Christmas movies here. What are yours? Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.